Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about harmony one price update. What's the price changes occur in the harmony? Let me show you guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. Now guys, at this time, if you talk about the current price of harmony, so 0.308472 USD dollar, that is the current price of harmony. And other side, if you talk about the changes update of harmony, so now the last 1 hour changes is unfortunately going negative. But don't worry guys, don't take a decision on the basis of last 1 hour, guys. You can see guys that last 1 week changes of harmony is completely going positive. So why are you taking decision only in the last 60 minutes? And guys, especially in the nowadays, it is the last week of October, so possibilities you can see that is temporary jump. Now I'm sure guys, you can see here from here positive 12% the price pump in the last 24 hours. So this means that harmony is in the profit, and I'm sure about that. Now prediction is clear guys, that the upcoming whole week harmony will continue positive changes, guys. So it's holding time, it's profit time, guys. Absolutely, if you hold, so you get profit, otherwise you don't get, maybe you lose. So guys, what's your opinion, what's your prediction? My prediction is positive about harmony, and I suggest for all of my viewers that it's time to hold, not to sell. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.